Just a short video, my kettle boiling. I just think it's amazing how it lights up. Oh, this is just to show you a kettle boiling, and it illuminates. You can hear it boiling. I think it's amazing. It's just technology these days. I mean, you know, a kettle, boiling water, and then the added bonus of a light in it. I just think that's absolutely fantastic. No more boiling a pan on the cooker. A kettle. That's it. Make a nice hot drink. I don't know if to have hot chocolate or coffee, but sport for choice once I've got the hot water. Kettle boiling. I think it's just absolutely just phenomenal. See? That's your kettle boiling. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope you enjoyed the picture of the video of my kettle boiling with the light in it. Thank you, bye.